Radical number 169, man, door radical. As a noun, it means door or gate. It also used as a classifier for large guns, lessons, subjects, and branches of technology. This is how to write man stroke by stroke. It has 3 strokes. Now we see 14 components of man. Man, door, gate. Man. Man with person radical. It is a plural marker for pronouns and nouns referring to individual. Chain. Sun inside door is chain. It refers to a definite time or space. One. Mouth inside door is one. That means to ask. One. Air inside door is one. That means news or to smell. Person in the door is shan. It means to spark or a flash. P. Sai inside door is P. P means to shut or to close. Now. City inside door is now, and now is noisy. Ye. To inspect, review, read. Xian. Tree inside door is xian. That means free time or leisure. Ho. Life inside door is ho. Ho is rich, wide or broad. Man. Heart indoor is man, and it is stuffy, depressed or tightly closed. Chuang. Horse in the door is chuang. That means to rush or to temper someone through hardships. Chan. Tan inside door is chan. That means to expose or disclose. H. This is high. It is a sound component. Door with high is h. That means to obstruct. You can download this character practice sheet from description box.